Good morning, everybody. Chroeso I Beefy's Big Breakfast. The title is mine, Beefy's Big Breakfast, and welcome all here to Trefnant Hall, the kind invitation of the Jones family, organised event for National Farmhouse Breakfast Week to launch the On-Farm Health and Safety Charter for Wales. I think I got that title right, so that's the big one out of the way. Pleser I gael chi gyd yma ar ran y ffermwyr ifanc I gwahodd chi gyd yma bod yr sefydliadau sy'n yma I gyd mwyn lansio y charter yma. It's a privilege to have you all here by invitation in farmers to launch this charter. I'm not going to speak very much. We're a bit behind with getting things at it, and food will not wait all day for us. So I'm going to only a few words. I'll just go through a bit of the order. Ed Bailey, then if you will say a few words first about the charter, followed by the Minister, and then Anne Lewis of the Wales Air Ambulance will also say a few words. As they say, there's no such thing as a free breakfast. Hopefully the Wales Air Ambulance is the charity of the year for the young farmers this year, and there is a donation box there on the table. We very gratefully receive any donations before you leave here today. Straight after the breakfast then, if you could make sure there's one member from each organisation to have a photograph before you leave for today. So thank you very much. I'll pass you over to Ed Bailey.
Thanks very much.